Everybody together. Bend the knees. Grab the heels from the behind, stepping on 5 fingers of each hand. Stepping on all 5 fingers of each hand. Little pinky finger touching each other side by side. Pate under, elbows back. Behind the legs on the calf muscle, everybody. Pull the knees as hard as possible. Lift your hips up now. Push the knee back. Stretch the body down from the lower spine towards the floor. Touch your stomach on your thighs. Chest on the knee. Face on the leg below the knee. So from the side, your body should like a Japanese hand sandwich, no gap anywhere. Now continuously keep pulling is the object of stretching. Look at your own legs. You should not pull your knee. Lift your hips up. Push the knee back. Lock the knee. Add your own legs, my friend. Exhale, breathing. Lock the knee. Touch your face. Lock the knee. Last chance. Stay there. Shoulder and change. Arms and head together. Come up with the stomach in. Stretch up to the ceiling, everybody. Exhale, arms down by your side and completely relaxed. Breathe. The other person's leg. I know your legs are looking good. Everybody second set. Say a little bit faster than the first set. Feet together. Heels and toes touching each other. Everybody arms up. Middle of the thumb fingers, release the index finger, thumbs cross. Keep a nice tight up toward the ceiling, absolutely straight line. Enter body to the right, quickly. Push the hip to the left. Push, 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 push. Everybody feel the setting. Fantastic, everybody. Hips forward. Good one, Vishwanath. That's a nice one. Left hip forward. Right shoulder forward. Opening up the chest. Bring the chin up. Give it a happy smiling face. Everybody together. Come down and push, push, push. Take a deep breath. Stretch up again. Touch the ceiling. Absolutely straight line. Bend the body to the left side. Continuously push the hips to the right, feel the stretching is happening. Body back, rotate on that. Quick when you have to go. Right hip forward, left shoulder forward. Open and push, push, push. Second backward bending. Take a deep breath. Drop your head back. Look at the floor behind you as far as it goes. All together. Come on, Vishwanath. Arms back.
Come on, Vishwanath.
Immediately go and touch the wall behind you. Come on, my friend. Look at the wall. Look at the wall. And touch the wall. And push the stomach. Right. Hips everything forward. Everybody head back. Arms back. Pull back. Go back. Way back. More back. Exhale, go down with the stomach. Slowly place your hands on the floor and move your hips right and left several times. Come on, shake it up, sweat it out, everybody. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Feel the stretch is happening from the both sides this time, okay? Give me the good one, everybody. Pull the heel harder. Place the hands underneath the heels first. Invisible hands, elbows back behind the legs on the calf muscle. Please don't lose the grip. Otherwise, make it. Pull the heel as hard as possible, lift your hips up. Chest on the knee, face on the legs below the knee. No room for the air, no room for the light. Very nicely done. Continuously keep pulling. Lift your hips up. Come on, Rocky. Push the knee back. Less talking, Rocky. More hard work. Push the knee back, lock the knee. Exhale, breathing, lock the knee. Come on, touch your face with the legs. Everybody lift your hips up. Body weight on your toes. Come on, roll forward. Lock the knee. Lock the knee. Lock the knee. Change. Arms and head together. Come on, with the stomach. Keep arms up. Stretch up. Wait for me. Arms down by your side and completely let. थोड़ा सा मिरर तोड़ दीजिए.
मुझे थोड़ा मिरर देखना जरूरी है तो ही होगा.
Arms down by your side. Bring them down. Everybody next is the awkward posture of the Uttanasana. Focus, please. Please focus, everybody. Focus on me, okay? So they closer, more. Everybody exhale, breathing stomach in, hold it. Sit on the chair, feet flat position. 100% body weight on the heels. Lift the chest up. Bend your spine back, bending the upper body back. My friend, everybody, suck your stomach in. Stomach in, stomach in. Repeat visible. Open the knee 6 inches gap. Bring the feet, knees, elbows, and hips back. Hold back. More back. Inhale, come up. Now come on the top of the toes, maximum like a ballerina. Stretch your spine, head, chest, higher on the toes. Like imagine you're wearing a high heels like a ghost. Come on the top, against the wall. Upper body back all the way down. Down. Stop in halfway. Everybody keep shin down below the chair. Keep sit down on the chair. Inhale. Keep down, arms up. Last chance, arms up. Lift your hips up. Arms parallel, spine straight. Stomach in. Sit down slowly with your neighbor. With the stomach in. That's it. That's what I want. Stomach in. All the way down. Then we sit down. Fantastic. You're moving. Everybody keep arms parallel to the femur. Lift your hips up. Hands parallel. Arms parallel. Spine perfectly straight. Hold it. Inhale. Come back slowly. Knees together. And now chin. Right leg back. Feet together. Please don't move. Garudasana.
Yes.
So look at your arms as
This is
you
important.
break for water after
this.
Which is right and the left leg, don't mix them up. Arms together. Stretch up to the ceiling. All together, bring the right arm under the left arm, close your arms towards the wrist and light drops. Bring your legs, hands and palms in front of your face. Pull
One,
the
give
elbows
it.
down.
Yes.
Come on, everybody. Back straight, shoulders down. Suck the stomach in, sit down on the chair with the knees together. Upper body back, pull it for a second. Stay down there, wait for me. Right leg lift up, bring it up the left leg as high as possible. Put the right foot behind the left calf muscle. All 5 toes visible in the front mirror. Arch your upper body back more. No gap between ankle and the calf muscle. Come on, muscular guy. Hold the legs. Sit down more. Knees to the right, body to the left. To get everything in one line. Thighs over the thighs, Marina. Knees over the knee. Cover the overlapping. Overlapping. Sit down more. Pull the elbows down more, shoulders down more, upper body back at the end and change. Don't forget the posture. Arms up, palms together. Left arm, your arms and twist them like cross. Hands, palms together. Make your perfect eagle. Feet together. Come on, my muscular guy in the back row. Try. Feet together, feet together. Sit down. On the chair with the knees together, upper body back. Left leg lift up, bring it to the right leg as high as possible. Put the left foot behind the right calf muscle now. Big weight like the eagle. Full concentration. Don't move. Don't even blink your eyes. Keep stretching up your spine. Put the chest up. Pull the elbows down. Chest up. Weight on the Vishwana. Shoulders down. More stomach in. Stomach in. Stomach in. Stomach in. And change. Arms up. Palms together. Stretch up to the ceiling. Second set, everybody. Quick one. Right arm to the left arm. Cross it. Twist it. Hold down. Shoulders down. Sit down. Upper body back. Spine straight. Right leg up. Bring it on the left leg. Very nice. Full focus. It doesn't matter what happens around you. You should be like a solid. You have to perform your own balance. Upper body back. Stretching up your spine. Knees to the right. That's it. Body to the left. Suck the stomach in. Don't let your belly come out. Stomach in. Pull the elbows down. Come on, shoulders down. Sit down. Sit down. Very nice posture, Rocky. Sit down. Body back. And chin. Arms up. Palms together. Stretch up to the side. Sit down. Kick. Hands. Feet together. Arms down by your side. And together come down until arm, body, head, leg, everything is parallel to the floor. Lock the knee, lock the knee. From the side, your body should look like a T, like a Tom, not like a broken umbrella. Charge the body forward, go and touch the front mirror, body down, leg up. Chest down, leg up. Every muscle contracted. Leg up, leg up, leg up. Point your toes, stomach in. Stretch, 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 and change. Right leg back. Immediately, left leg step forward. Both knees are locked. Arms and head together. Suck your stomach in. Come down. Until arm, body, head, leg. Everything is parallel to the floor. From the side, your body should look like a T, like a Tom. Arms and head together. Keep your arms with your ears. Body forward more. Stretch forward, touch the front mirror. Lift the right leg up. Point your toes, stomach in. Stretch. Go forward, stretch. More stretch and change. Left leg back. Arms down. Stand straight. Breathe through the nose. Don't open your mouth. Step to the right. Arms down parallel to the floor. Keep your toes in like a pigeon toe. Try to get your both knees are locked. Exhale, breathing, and you go down. Chin forward, look forward, all the way down. Grab the heel from the outside. Right hand under the right heel, left hand under the left heel. With the 5 fingers together. Please don't lose the grip. Pull your heel as hard as possible. Lift your hips up and push the knee back and stretch the body down from the lower spine towards the floor. Try to touch your forehead to the floor. When you can't touch your forehead, open the leg more. Come on, my friend. Come on, more, Dushi. More. Keep stretching. Lower back, total back. Whole back is stretching. Keep pulling more hard. Push the knee back. Lift the shoulders away from the ears. Bring your maximum body to the toes. Go forward. Stretch forward. Touch your forehead to the floor. Keep pulling and change. Come back in the same way. Right leg step back. Arms up. Everybody arms down by your side. And relax. Breathe through the nose. Stay on the left, please. A big one step, everybody. Arms down parallel to the floor. Raise up the right foot up to the right side, 2.5 inch more. Spine is perfectly straight position. Bend the right leg and sit down until the right thigh femur bone exactly parallel to the floor. Turn the foot 2.5 inch more. Now bend the right leg and sit down. Sit down, my friend. Sit down. Sit down. Make sure you sit down well. That is not more than enough. Make sure right leg should look like upside down, leg line down. Keep your spine straight. Look at yourself. Arms back. Body back. Open the chest. Only arms movement. Right elbow in front of the right knee, sit down from here. Left hand stretch up, right hand stretch down. Both shoulders. Arms stretching in opposite direction like a natural human traction. Left hip forward. Right knee back, sit down. Turn and twist. Upper body back like a spine twisting pose. Look up and stretch up. Touch the toes. Left foot flat. Left knee lock. And change. Come back in. Right foot in, left foot out, 1.5 inch more. The last chance, everybody, keep your arms there, bend the left leg and sit the knee. Body back, spine straight. Come on, all the way down. Only arms movement. Touch the toes. Put your left hand fingertips between the big toe and the second toe. Look up to the ceiling. That's looking nice. Sit down, Vishwanath. Sit down. Sit on the left. Bend the left knee and sit down. Right hand down. Left hand, right hand up. Both shoulders stretching. Right hip forward, left knee back. Touch the toes. Right knee long and then come back in. Right leg step back, arms up. Arms down. And relax. Breathe through the nose. Turn to the right. Move your hip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your hips in a one line, Gucci. Make sure check yourself in the mirror. Arms and head together. Cheek to the chest, and you go down. Forehead to the knee. Remember. Matha घुटने से लगाना है विश्वनाथ. Forehead to the knee. Forehead to the knee, Vishwanath. Forehead to the knee. Matha घुटने से लगाइए. Almost there. Bring your arms up and forward. Bar bigger in the front leg. Right hip is taking your hips in a one line. Forehead to the knee. Suck the stomach in. Push your back knee long. Now keep the front leg long. Now keep your both knees long. Stomach in. Forehead to the knee. Lock the knee. And change. Come back in the same way. Turn to the back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the two heels in a one line. Open the legs a little bit more in. Everybody stomach in. Pet under, pet under, pet under, pet under. Forehead to the knee. Mata घुटने से लगाओ. Where this is forehead. There we go. Left hip up, right hip down. Take the two hips in a one line. Floor toe. Suck the stomach in. More stomach in. Touch your forehead. More forehead to the knee. Stomach in. More, and change. Come back in the same way. Turn to the right. Right leg back. Arms down by your side. And relax. Water break. One more push then we have Shavasana.
Yeah.
Push the hips forward, upper body back. Balance. Stretch yourself up. Hold it over there. Keep sucking everybody together.
कहाँ घुस रहे भाई? कहाँ घुस रहे?
And change.
कहाँ घुस रहे?
Right leg down. Everybody left leg up. Bend the left leg and sit down. Balance in the fingertips from the sides. 50-50 balance. First left hand up in front of the chest. Let's see how many are there to get
Yes.
balance. Right hand up in front of the chest. Very nice, Marina. Hold it over there, my girl. That's a nice one. Stomach in, very good. Come on, Pankaj. Hold it, my friend. And change. Come back in the same way. Everybody together. Left leg up. Put it all the way up. Knees touching the cushion. Sole of the foot. Last one, everybody. Come on. Hips forward, upper body back. Come on. Focus. Focus like a tree. Stomach in, stretch out. Right, good. Come on, Marina. Breathe through the nose. Close it out. Breathe through the nose. Let's focus on yourself. Hold it over there. And go down with the stomach in if you're comfortable. Place your hands on the floor. Bend the right leg, sit down. Balance the fingertips from the side. Left hand up in front of the chest. Right hand up in front of the chest. Very nice try, Dilip. Good vision. Hold it. And change. Come back to the same. Good try,
अरे
everybody.
दिलीप.
Very nice, Dilip. Turn around and lie down in Shavasana, everybody. Bring the bottom down.
बाकी है. आम्ही सोने का तो लो सोते हुए मतलब ऐसा आराम करते हुए. शवासन.
Marina, he's not talking. Vishwanath, keep
अरे
your arms down, my
क्या
friend.
तुम लोग करते हैं?
Everybody, keep your heels together, arms touching with your body. Take a long here.
ये मांगे
बस मेरे पे कोई गिरना मत. विभिन्न पवन मुक्त आसन.
Everybody together, with moving pose, Pavan Muktasana. Right leg bent, each of the 10 fingers. Hold the right leg exactly 2 inches below the knee. Pull the right knee down towards the right shoulder, away from the rib cage. Left leg straight. Left calf muscle is touching the floor. If it's not flexed, the left leg pull down towards your chest to get the neck right on the floor. No gap underneath the neck. Pull the knee down, little extra hard. Maybe you hip joint want to feel the compression of the abdominal wall. Knee down towards the right shoulder. Mayur, come on, pull the knee down towards the right shoulder. Pull, my friend. Pull, Vishwanath, pull, and right leg down. Left leg lift up. Down towards the left shoulder, avoiding the rib cage. Now shoulder down towards the chest. Come on, everybody, chin flat on the floor. On the core. Very, very important posture for your digestive system. Pull harder. Shoulders down on the floor. Eventually or in the future, when you improve your skeleton system, your whole upper body, including the neck, should be flat on the floor. Keep your knees together like the guru. Shoulder down with the chin. You
देखिए नीचे आ जाओ।
Come from the floor. Hips on the floor, shoulders on the floor. Eyes open, breathing always normal. Chest up, chest up, chest up, and change. Come back in the same way, slow. Sit down in the middle of the mat with the knees and the feet touching each other side by side. Come on. Arms up. First is the forehead, then is the pinky finger touching the floor. Rest of the arms in the air. Now, drop your hips back on the heel. That's it. Chest on the knees, forehead on the floor. Eyes open, breathing always normal. Your scapula coming out of the body, shoulders are supposed to be up. Push your hips back on the heel. Suck the stomach in, stretch. Stretch for more. Keep your arms nice and tight. Stretch. Arms is lock position. Stretch, 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 and change. Come back in the same way. Arms and head together. Stretch up. Arms down by your side. Turn around and lie down in Shavasana. Quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2. Sit up, everybody. Feet together. Arms up. Inhale. Quick up. Double exhale. Stand up on the knees for the camel posture. Ushtarasana. Very good.
कैमल पोस्टर सबसे नीचे।
Create 6 inches gap between the knees, 6 inches gap between the feet. Stop the body back. Stop in a halfway. Right hand goes down, grab the right hip. Left hand goes down, grab the left hip. Thumb outside, forefinger inside. Very nice. Inhale, eyes open. Exhale, breathing. Push the stomach, leg, hips, thighs, everything. Fold to the front mirror. I want 360-degree backward bending for graduation. Keep it. Push more. Chest up. Push everybody. Push and change. Slowly, gently come on. Sit down for the rabbit pose of Shavasana. The last one, everybody, come on, almost there. Keep it. Ready? Everybody, chin to the chest. Suck your stomach in. And you go down, touch your forehead and knee. The top of the head is automatically touching the floor. Exhale, breathing. Pull the knees and lift your hips up as high as possible. Nice posture. Come on, give me the good one. As high as possible until your arms is straight position. Very nice posture, Lily. Keep your feet well. Good one, everybody. You're very nice. Fantastic. Come on, Pankaj. Keep your heels together. Heels together. Come on, Ragi. Lift your hips up. Hold forward like a wing. Come on, feet together. Hips up. Hips up. Hips up. Hips up. Change. Sit down, everybody. Chin come with the hands on and lie down in Shavasana. Quickly.
अरे उनको
Up to the right and grab the right foot exactly 2 inches below the toes. All 5 toes facing the ceiling. Flex the foot, tuck the chin, that's it. Now suck the stomach and you go down. Touch your forehead to the knee. Forehead to the knee. Bend your elbows down next to the calf muscle. Left elbow down, left shoulder down. Forehead to the knee. Bend the left leg to cheek. Kick the heel up. Bend the knee. Push the forehead to the knee. Suck the stomach in. Kick. Come on, forehead to the knee. Kick. Forehead to the knee. Kick and change. Almost there, Vinay. Right leg bend, left leg out. Turn to the left and grab the left foot exactly 2 inches below the toes. All 5 toes facing the ceiling. Weight under, okay?
Eight under.
Grab the foot. Come on.
Eight
forehead
under.
to the knee. Come on, everybody. Almost there. Bend your elbows down next to the calf muscle. Left shoulder down, left elbow down. Keep
ऐसे
rolling
पकड़।
inside, Pankaj. Keep rolling inside. Forehead to the knee. Forehead to the knee. Bend your elbows down. Shoulder down. Forehead to the knee. Roll in and change. Both legs together. Lie down on your back. Arms and hands together. Inhale, breathe in, quick up. No talking.
एक और है।
Back, walk back. Everybody together, Paschimottanasana. Now, pull the toes until the heel come up in the air. Stretch your spine, head, chest, everything up.
आजा।
Lock the knee. Everybody exhale, breathing. Suck your
इंटरनेशनल योगा डे पर सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक देना चाहूँगी। हैप्पी योगा डे। एंड यही कहूँगी कि योगा से ही होगा, मतलब आपका मोटापा जो दूर होगा, सारी बीमारियाँ दूर होगी, योगा से ही होगा। मैं मनदीप के हॉट योगा में योगा करती हूँ और मैंने भी अपना पूरा जो वज़न है हॉट योगा में कम किया है। और ये मनदीप जो है, मनदीप जी हमारी योगा गुरु हैं। देखिए, मैं सारा खाना खाती हूँ, वेज नॉन वेज एवरीथिंग मैं खाती हूँ, लेकिन मैं मेरा सारा फैट जो है हॉट योगा में आके बर्न करती हूँ। मैंने इतनी जिम करी, इतना वेट ट्रेनिंग किया, इतना स्पिनिंग किया, बट मेरा वेट कभी लूज़ नहीं हुआ। फिर मैंने योगा में आई और योगा में आने के बाद आप देख सकते मेरी बॉडी अभी कितनी स्लिम ट्रिम हो गई है। तो योगा से ही मेरा वेट चला गया। मैं खाना सब खाती हूँ।
सो अगर आप योगा को उठाएंगे तो उसके अंदर आपको इतने ज़्यादा योगा दिखाई देंगे। पावर योगा होता है, अष्टांग योगा होता है, विन्यासा योगा होता है। तो हर एक किसी का अपना एक एक्सपर्ट लेवल है, कहाँ पे उन्होंने सीखा है और किस तरह की योगा वो करते हैं। मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरा ये मानना है कि हर तरह का योगा बहुत अच्छा होता है, लेकिन आई एम स्पेशलाइज्ड इन हॉट योगा, क्योंकि मैंने जो अपना डिग्री जो किया है मैंने LA से किया है। और जब मैं वहाँ से इधर मुंबई में सिखाने आई, सो आई थिंक आई हैव सीन लॉट्स ऑफ चेंजेस इन माई मेम्बर्स वाइल डूइंग योगा, क्योंकि इतना स्ट्रेस रहता है इनका लाइफ, जो मेरे सेलिब्रिटीज़ रहते हैं बेसिकली, और जो यहाँ के मुंबई के जो लोग हैं,
नवाजुद्दीन, एकता कपूर से लेकर सभी सेलिब्रिटीज यहाँ पे आते हैं।
इतना उनका स्ट्रेस लेवल रहता है बिकॉज दे शूट एवरी डे। और उनका लोग जो मेरे खुद के जो मेंबर्स हैं उनका काम का इतना हेक्टिक रहता है, तो उनको कहीं ना कहीं पे एक ऐसी चीज़ मिल जाती है कि वो एक 75 मिनट्स का योगा कर लेते हैं ना, तो उनका पूरा स्ट्रेस निकल जाता है बॉडी का। सो हॉट योगा में यही फ़र्क है कि जब हम योगा 41 डिग्री टेम्परेचर में करते हैं तो इट गिव्स यू द सो मच कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, इट गिव्स
स्पेशली इनका देखिए, अभी ये नेता है एनसीपी के, तो इनको कितना स्ट्रेस है, यू नो, सब जगह आपस में लड़ रहे, बीजेपी ये वो, तो वो भी लड़ रहे हैं, इनको कितना स्ट्रेस है। यहाँ पे आके इनका पूरा स्ट्रेस निकलता है। ये विश्वनाथ जी है, इनसे भी पूछिए।
इन्होंने अभी ज्वाइन किया है।
हाँ, 1 महीना हो गया।
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा हॉट योगा है। मैं अभी दूसरी मेरा क्लास है ये, क्योंकि मैं वही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि सब लोग योगा करते हैं, मगर ये जो हॉट योगा है, ये स्पेशली योगा है, ये बहुत बढ़िया है। अपना हेल्थ के वजह से हर जगह योगा होते हैं, मगर ये इनका मंदिर जी का जो योगा है वो डिफरेंट योगा है, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है।
ये डिफरेंट योगा भी है, और आप देख सकते हैं हम लोग किस टाइप के कॉस्ट्यूम्स पहनते हैं। हॉट, इसे कहते हैं हॉट कॉस्ट्यूम, जिसमें हॉट बॉडी हो जाती है, इसलिए हॉट योगा है। 40 डिग्री में हीट में हम लोग योगा करते हैं, और हम सबके कॉस्ट्यूम्स ऐसे ही होते हैं, इसीलिए ताकि जो स्किन के पोर्स खुले, स्किन अच्छी ग्लो करे।
बहुत बड़ा रूमर है लोगों के मन में कि हम जो हॉट योगा के अंदर हैं या छोटे कपड़े पहनते हैं या सेलिब्रिटीज आते हैं वो अपने दिखाने के लिए आते हैं। पहली बात मैं ये आई थिंक आपके ज़रिए लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ कि हम लोग हॉट योगा में छोटे कपड़े इसलिए पहनते हैं बिकॉज इट्स वेरी हॉट इनसाइड, ओके, एंड वंस वी
Suffocation
स्वेट
होता
आउट,
है,
वंस वी स्वेट आउट, सो मेक श्योर आवर स्वेट गोज ऑन द टावर, नॉट इन आवर क्लोथ्स। और उसकी वजह से एंड उसमें क्या रहता है कि जितना आप अपने आप को मिरर में देखते हो ना, द मोर यू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर ओन बॉडी पार्ट्स, और उसको आपको अंदर करने में, स्क्वीज करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलती है। आपने भी देखा है, आप अंदर गए हैं तो आप इतने ज़्यादा मेंटली आप देख ही नहीं पाते हो किधर, आपको सिर्फ अपनी तरफ ही रहता है कि अरे मेरे को हेडेक फील हो रहा है या मेरे को स्वेट आउट हो रहा है। दैट्स द ओनली रीजन। वंस यू एंटर इन द योगा रूम ना, यू फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग कि व्हाट काइंड इज वेयरिंग व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्लोथ्स, सो दैट डजंट मैटर एट ऑल।
एंड शी इज मरीना एक्ट्रेस, पहले ये बहुत मोटी थी, योगा में आके देखिए कितनी स्लिम हो गई है।
सिर्फ राखी की वजह से, वो भी लाइक पहले मैं सच में बिग बॉस जब 9 किया था मैंने, तो मुझे याद है कि मुझे किसी ने बुलाया था कि ओ गॉड तुम कितनी भैंसी दिख रही थी। मेरा शिट,
बिग बॉस में थी शी वाज,
बिग बॉस 9, तो आई थॉट कि ओ माय गॉड मैं इतनी भैंसी दिखती हूँ, तो चलो लेट्स ट्राई। तो फिर बहुत जिमिंग किया, लॉट्स ऑफ वेट ट्रेनिंग, बट उससे भी कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। फिर एक दिन मैंने राखी को बोला, यार तुमने किया क्या, कोई सर्जरी वर्जरी करा के आई हो क्या कि इससे इतनी पतली हो गई है? कहती हाँ ले चलती हूँ तुम्हें भी,
ऐसी सर्जरी में ले चलती हूँ, चलो।
हाँ, मैंने बोला
मैंने कहा ऐसी सर्जरी में तुम्हें ले चलती हूँ, चलो।
फिर उसके बाद सीधा ये यहाँ पे लेके आ गई, बिकॉज मैं मनदीप को पहले जानती थी बट मैं कभी आई नहीं। फिर उसके बाद अंदर बंद कर दिया इन्होंने मुझे। बंद करने के बाद ऐसी लत लग गई है कि वो छूटती ही नहीं।
अभी नींद से हम जागते हैं तो सीधा चल के आ जाते हैं हॉट योगा में, और ट्रस्ट मी के हाँ,
मतलब मेरे को इतना लाइक यू नो होता है क्या कि आप ये सब चीज़ करने से ना आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल भी बहुत हाई हो जाता है, यू नो यू फील वेरी लाइक कि हाँ, मतलब एक होता है ना कि आप लगता है कि मैं सब कुछ कर सकती हूँ लाइफ में।
और मुझे बहुत दुख होता है कि सब कहते हैं अरे राखी सावंत ने सर्जरी करा ली, लैपो करा लिया, ये करा लिया, बट उनको पता नहीं है मेरी गुरु यहाँ है, इनको पूछो कि मैं 2 योगा करती हूँ।
करवाया भी होगा तो बहुत पहले, और उसकी वजह से अभी देखो कितना इनको बेनिफिट मिले हैं कि शी डोंट नीड एनीथिंग एल्स राइट नाउ, नो सर्जरी शी नीड।
मैं कोई सर्जरी कुछ नहीं, मैं सिर्फ मनदीप का हॉट योगा किया और स्लिम ट्रिम हो गई हूँ दोस्तों। तो कमेंट करना बंद करो।
हाँ, सिर्फ हॉट योगा में आ जाओ मनदीप के पास,
हाँ,
तुम्हें पतला कर देगी।
बीमारी, कैंसर जैसी बीमारी, थायराइड,
बहुत सारे ऐसा हमारी जो योगा के अंदर हम जो लोगों को ट्रीट करते हैं यहाँ पे, इज़ नॉट ओनली फॉर वेट लॉस। मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि पीपल आर कमिंग हियर विद लॉट्स ऑफ इश्यूज, और अभी तो इतना चल रहा है लाइक इन द यंग पीपल आर गोइंग टू यू नो कैंसर का प्रॉब्लम रहता है लोगों को, हार्ट के इश्यूज इतने डायबिटीज़ का प्रॉब्लम है, और आपका स्पाइन का इशू है, आपका जॉइंट का इशू है। लेकिन 80 और 90% वुमेन्स आर सफरिंग विद द जॉइंट इशू। तो उस चीज़ के लिए हम जब योगा करते हैं तो इट एक्चुअली गिव्स द मैक्सिमम रिलैक्सेशन ऑन द मसल्स। तो आपका टॉक्सिन जब निकल जाते हैं बॉडी के, आपका मसल स्ट्रेंथनिंग होता है, तो आपका बॉडी आपका काम करता है उसी लेवल पे।
रियलिटी शोज़ में मैंने इतने रियलिटी शोज़ किए, मेरे को हार्नेस लगा के फर्स्ट फ्लोर से गिरी हूँ मैं, मेरा बैक का इतना बुरा इंजरीज हो गया था, मेरे को मतलब बैक बैंडिंग नहीं होता था। तो इनका एक स्पेशली वो एक पोज है ऐसा पूरा बैक बैंडिंग का, अगर आप देखें आपने शूट किया है तो माय गॉड, उस दिन के बाद मेरा बैक का प्रॉब्लम ही चला गया, नी का प्रॉब्लम चला गया। एक टांग पे मेरा फ्रैक्चर है अभी, आज मैं एक टांग पे खड़ी रहती हूँ। तो ये बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स है, बीमारी, स्पेशली जब 75 मिनट्स आप योगा करते हैं तो आप एकदम कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं, दुनिया के सारे टेंशन जो हैं वो निकल जाते हैं।
ओके मैम, मिका सिंह का भी सॉन्ग लॉन्च हुआ है, 2 शॉट्स आपके अच्छे मित्र हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मिका सिंह को तो एक ही कहूँगी कि उसे ये हॉट योगा की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, वो आके हॉट योगा करे बस। उन्हें हॉट योगा की सख्त ज़रूरत है। थैंक यू।